me and you. Okay, so here's the first trick. Did you know that YouTube transcribes videos? So a lot of people will ask you to transcribe their YouTube video. Do not tell them that YouTube already transcribed it for them, but I'm going to show you where to find that transcript in YouTube. And then I can't show it here, but you can pull the file out. There's some codes that you enter to format it correctly. I have this all in my training, but I just want to show you how cool this is. So pay attention to the video. And here I am. I'm going to press play. Let me make sure I have my sound on my computer. So I'm going to YouTube. At the bottom of YouTube, there's these three dots. Click that, click open transcript. And now you're going to hear my voice message. So when people direct message us, they can get a welcome message back right away. So I'm going to go ahead and write this welcome message real quick. All right, so I wrote the welcome message. Thanks for DMing us. We'll see this message soon. In the meantime, you can call us or visit us. Right? So YouTube transcribes the video for you, and you're going to get a ton of clients that want a YouTube transcript. And you press play on the video, you can see the transcript, you can edit it to fix any, mispronunciations, or, YouTube's not perfect. Machine transcription is not perfect, but it's so helpful. So yes, YouTube is amazing with that. Do you guys like that? Yes, everybody like that? Okay, I'm going to show you another tool. And this is AI that we're talking about. It is a machine that's going to transcribe for us. So this tool is called Temi. Let me move my microphone a little closer to the computer. Come on, microphone. Anyway, I'm going to press play on this video to show you guys what I'm doing. So right now I uploaded this file to Temi. The file is called Ask the Right Questions, and it's asking me to enter in my email. I enter in my email and I push send. And now it's sending the file to the robot who's going to, I wonder what the robot's names are, who's going to transcribe it. And now Temi says, okay, check your email. So you have to edit and add punctuation, but you can do that right inside of the tool. So let me go ahead and push play so that you guys can see this. Now I got an email. Temi has transcribed your file. Woo! So I'm going to click on view transcript to view it, and it's going to ask me to create a password on the Temi platform. So I'm going to create the password really quickly. Yes, isn't this cool? I'm going to create the password really quickly. And there's other tools that do this. In my transcription training, I teach 7 different tools. You can pick the one you like the best. But I'm going to play this video. Follow along and tell me how good of a job you think Temi does. It's just one of my videos that I uploaded just to show you guys. So here we go. Hey, it's Alicia Little, and in this video, I want to cover one thing that will help you to clients. Now, I'm a digital agency owner, and if you're looking to start your own social media or digital agency, or you already have. So I think I just messed up my microphone by doing that. Hang on 1 second. Oh gosh, I did. Oh no. So hang on 1 second, guys. I'm like, whoop, did I just mess up my microphone? I think that I did. Okay, there, it fixed it. So what did you think? Everybody's like, wow, amazing. Wow, amazing. It is amazing. And so you can use tools like this to get the job done for you. Now you see how Leighton can do a job for $900, right? She's using machine. Yeah, you guys are saying so simple. That's cool. It is golden. Have you guys learned a lot on this webinar so far? You can tell I love teaching this. So I have a transcription client that I've done transcripts for. Yes, I do this myself. So Lorette and I, we're teaching you things that we do ourselves in business. These are transcripts that I've done this year. This is an ongoing client that pays me monthly. This is Donna Fox from Groove Digital. She said, I'm super impressed with the level of quality and commitment and excellence that everything that Alicia's team does. So in Skype, she sent this message. Oh, yay, I'm glad they've really done a good job. She's just talking about the transcripts. Mike just saw the transcripts for the first time yesterday, and he was blown away, right? I used a machine to transcribe all of the files. You guys know Donna, somebody said they know her. I used a machine to transcribe all of the files for that client, and then I just edit them up.